Hi, I'm Mike with Acme Concrete Raising and Repair. Welcome to yet another project video. Today, we're going to be taking you to 7 Bridges in Woodridge, Illinois. This is a large commercial property, home of lots of entertainment, shops, restaurants, and so much more. I'm also Mike, and let's not forget to mention this project involves over 1,000 feet of sidewalk requiring multiple crews to get it done efficiently. That's right, this project requires a true specialist to get it done right. It means our experience is not watered down by providing other services like waterproofing, garage floor coatings, concrete installation, or anything else. Correct. We are laser focused on polyurethane concrete raising. It's all we do. We are Chicagoland's original polyurethane concrete raising and stabilization specialists. We really appreciate you guys checking out this video. Let's go to the project now.